Alright, guys, here we go. Yeah, prank cards will go tonight. It'll go for sure. 14-15 Noir basketball. Random teams case number 5. Been a long time. I don't even know what the date was when we did number 4. I'd have to really look it up. Probably back in 2014. Well, 15, whenever this came out. 2015. There you go. Good luck. 26 total spots with 4 combos. We're going to hit the randomizer 6 times. So that bright, shiny, nice new red die. RB Rocks on the top. Levo is in on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I am Gabo on top. YBJ number 26. Teams. Warriors on bottom. Blazers Grizzlies combo up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. 6. The Pistons up top, the Nuggets on the bottom. I'll go alphabetical by your names. A couple guys got a lot of spots here. DW604 Bulls, I am Gabo, Pistons and Rockets, J-Dog, Hornets, Blazers, Grizzlies, and Knicks. Levo is in, Magic and Thunder, Raviri, Bucks, Pacers and Pelicans, RB Rocks, Hawks and Knicks, S. Geary, Celtics, Clippers, Lakers, Warriors, and Heat. Sliplicious, Spurs and Nets, Wizards. S. Olenek, Raptors, TG Cardman, Jazz, USMC 03 Vet, Sixers, Suns, Mavericks, Cavs, and T-Wolves, and YBJ the Nuggets. There you go, guys. We'll break in just a minute.